Welcome, in front of me is an Alcatel One S, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started we'll need to power off the device, so let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold the power key and the volume up at the same time, and release the power key once you see the Alcatel logo on the screen. There we go, let go of the power key, keep holding volume up. And once you see the recovery mode, using the volume keys you want to scroll down to either reboot to a bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Both of them will basically boot you into the same place, which is Fastboot mode. Now you can see this one is quite self-explanatory, enter Fastboot mode, so I'm going to select the other one, which you will see also boots you into Fastboot mode. And there we go. So you can see it right at the bottom, Fastboot mode. So that is how you enter it, and to leave it, in both cases, you just simply hold the power key till the screen turns off. So once this disappears, there we go, you can let go of the power key, and this will take us back to Android. And as you can see, there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.